Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by choosing the exact font family and styles you need. Pick only the weights you will use to save load time. Once selected, make sure to set character sets and variable axes if required, because those change file size. Then open the Embed panel and decide. Use the link tag for simplicity, add import for quick CSS inclusion, or download for self-hosting. Each method affects performance and caching. Now add the font to your site. Paste the link rel equals stylesheet into the head for fastest setup, or place the import at the top of your main CSS if that fits your build. If you use a bundler, install a package or fetch the CSS via CDN and include it in your build pipeline. Once done, declare font family in your stylesheet and set font display. Swap. Also preload critical fonts to reduce layout shift and improve perceived performance. Finally, if you self-host, download the font files and convert to WAF2, then add at font face rules pointing to your assets. Make sure your server sends correct content type and CORS headers so browsers accept them. Once implemented, test across browsers and devices, checking for flash of unstyled or invisible text. If problems appear, clear caches and verify paths. One key troubleshooting tip: if fonts fail to load, inspect net.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.